How to use wage points. Now, wage points are acquired through various activities or contributions in the wage platform, such as driving or map editing or just reporting some things. Now, your points will be seen in this wage.com/leaderboard. You cannot find the wage points in the applications. That's why you cannot get it here. You can either have to view it in the web platform in your PC or mobile phone. Just simply open it there and you can see all of the points that you have. I have 0 points. Yeah, what a flex. The use of the wage points is not what you think. It will be used automatically. Actually, you don't have to use it. It will indicate that you have been using the wage app for a while, and it will increase your trust level, higher rank, and it can unlock special moods and avatar for you depending on the wage point that you have. I hope you got all the informations on the wage points. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.